Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the torque applied when the car's shaft delivers 226 horsepower at a rotational speed of 3001 RPM. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We've got a shaft moving at 3001 RPM and it produces 226 horsepower, HP. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. So they give us the power, which is W dot for the shaft. So that's workflow rate. And then they give us the rotation per minute, which is N dot, which is 3001 RPM. Step 3, find the torque formula. So T is torque is equal to W dot of the shaft. So I'll just write shaft, just be a little bit more clearer. And then it's divided by 2 pi N dot being the RPM, rotations per minute. Alright, so they pretty much give us everything. We just plug and play. So step 4, find a torque. So 226 horsepower divided by 2 pi and then multiplied by 3001 divided by 60. So that will get rid of the minutes to seconds. And then we multiply the conversion factor, 550 pound force per feet seconds is 1 horsepower. So this will cancel out the seconds and it will cancel out the units, leaving feet pound force. So our answer is going to be 395.53 feet pound force. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program, follow the instructions if you've never used it. Click on the video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube. Let the video finish, hit the red square and snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Since this is a made up video or made up question, your friends probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if there is a mistake, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.